Hello everyone, I'm your tour guide for today. On your right, you'll see the jungle. On your left, you'll see the jungle. Below you is the road and above you is the sky. So thank you, please visit again. So this is where King Kong was born actually. And to my left, you have all the Godzilla and everyone here. Their neighbor again, you have the Jurassic Park, the T-Rex and everyone. Few others in front, you'll find all those giant octopus and mammoth and everyone. So they're staying in the same locality, you know. So all of us have a dead fish. Yeah, sort of. Tarzan is also here, but he's in his office now. And the moment he is white ray, he'll come. See, I told you, this is the Tarzan wala thing. This is his car. So he come with this one and he swing. No, that sound it is his language, no. So unless you know how to can't do it. Ani khlau ba ani bom ithui thashu tu khlau King Kong na Tarzan. Ai ni san ni lam li tu bingi sini. Ada pemi show ingi be pi pe ni video kin mau man 1 million subscriber.